So I want to show you how to enter and also how to exit recovery mode on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now, first thing you want to do is switch off the phone. So just go to the power menu and turn off the phone. With the phone off, you want to connect a data cable to the phone and the other end of that data cable to a computer. Now, this could be any computer. It could be a Mac, a Linux computer, or even a Windows computer. It doesn't really matter as long as that computer is on and it connects. So just give it a couple of moments. It should start actually charging. Next, you want to go ahead and press and hold the power and volume up buttons. And you want to press and hold these two buttons until you see the Samsung logo, and then quickly let go of the power button and continue holding the volume up button. So power, volume up, let's press this together. Press and hold, one, two, go. There you go. Just keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. There's a Samsung logo. I quickly let go and continue holding volume up. And that puts the phone in recovery mode, as you can see. So inside recovery mode, you can reboot, you can do a hard reset, which is basically the wipe data / factory reset. You can go ahead and select that using the power button, or you can power off the phone again, depending on what you really want to do. So to exit recovery mode, you simply go to the reboot system now option and then press the power button to select that. That's going to reboot the phone back into One UI. Thanks for watching and good luck.